guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute dance workout. By the way, we are doing research for a new program, so if you would like to help us out, we will link the video below with more information. Alrighty guys, it is time for our salsa. Here we go. We're gonna start with a basic step with a Susie Q. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, and right foot now forward. 5, 6, cross it, go. Cross, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6. Do it again. Very good. Left foot crosses in front. Hold, and now right foot, go. Left foot back, right foot forward, and cross. Hold, 5, 6, we're gonna go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and keep going, and 1, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, now we go, back, 2, 3, bring it forward, forward, 2, 3, bring it back, go, back. Bring it forward. Very good, back to that basic, go. Very good, cross it in front. 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, right foot forward, go. Cross that right foot in front. Hold it, tap. Here we go, and tap back, tap, 5, 6, 7, here we go, back, and bring it forward. Very good, back to the beginning, go. Cross it, hold it, 5, 6, other side. Very good, and cross. 5, 6, tap, back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and keep going. Very good. Go back. 5, 6, bring it forward. Back to the beginning, go. Cross. Hold it, and other side, go. And cross. Get ready, tap. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Very good, guys. All right, here we go. We have our samba. We are gonna start with a whisk, but we're gonna do it in a ronde. Here we go. Get ready. And 5, 6, here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Keep going. Keep this up. Get those arms open. Keep going here. Get ready. Because we're gonna go into turning voltas soon. We're gonna stop here because we're gonna volta left, 2, and now right, and switch, and switch. Do it again, and switch. Get ready. This is gonna be the last one. Karaoke runs, go, cross, tap. Very good, keep going. Cross, cross. Keep this up. Very good. And grapevine, 5, 6, do it again. forward, back, forward, back, back, forward, back, forward, forward, back, forward, back, back, forward, and back to the whisk. Very good, guys. Get ready. 5, 6, voltas, go. Other side. Do it again. Last one. Grapevine, go. Very good. Do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get ready. Grapevine, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. Get ready. Whisk. Do it again. Get those arms moving and volta. Left arm in front, right arm in front. Do it again. Left arm in front. And again. And karaoke runs. Boom. Boom. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good job, guys. Next up, we have Paso doble. Get ready. We're gonna start with some taps. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and tap. Tap, 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 feet together. And walk. 2, around the circle. 5, 6, do it again. Taps, tap, tap. 5, 6, walk around the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that again. Here we go. Tap, 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 feet together. Walking around to your left. 5, 6, do it again. And tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, walk around the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do this again. And tap, tap. 5, 6, 7. Walk around to the left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it one more time. This is the last one, guys. Very good. Walk around. Very good. We're going to cross. Cross, side. Cross, side. Cross, cross, slide. Do it again. Cross, side. Cross, side. Cross, cross, slide. One more time. Cross, side. Cross, side. Cross, cross, slide. Do it again. Cross, side. Cross, side. Cross, cross, slide. Get ready for the taps. Here we go. And tap, tap. 5, 6. Walk around the circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Taps. Go. Tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, guys, it is now time for a cha-cha. We have a lot of syncopated steps here, so we're gonna spend a little more time on them, just getting used to that syncopated timing. We're gonna start with time step. Get ready. Left foot on 2, here we go. And go. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, syncopated. 2 and 3, 4, and hold. Cha-cha 1, other side. Cha-cha-cha. Syncopated. 2 and 3, cha-cha hold. And go. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, syncopated. 2 and 3, 4, and hold. Other side. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, syncopated. 2 and 3, cha-cha hold. And other side. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2 and 3, cha-cha hold. And again. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2 and 3, cha-cha hold. Cuban break. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hold. Other side. Keep going. Boom, 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 boom. Hold. Other side. Boom. Ta, ta. go, we go. 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. And go, check. And 4, and 1, and 2. Again, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. 4, 1, check. Side, cross in front, back, and 1. Very good, guys. Whew. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. We are gonna start with a basic. We have bachata right now. We're gonna start with that basic with taps. Get ready. And step, step, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Get those arms moving. Go. Do it again. Very good. Keep going. One more time. Very good. Get ready. We go. And 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2. You can add some arms. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Very good. Ready? We're gonna go back and forward. Bring it back again. Bring it forward. Do it again. Very good. Get ready. Basic with the taps. Do it again. Last time. Bring that foot in front. 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2. Very good. Last one. Bring it back. Bring it forward. Do it again. Bring it back. And forward. Forward. And very good, guys. All right. Last but not least, we have our Rumba. We're gonna really focus on just our hip action. So we're not gonna have a lot of steps, but we're gonna have a lot of hips. Get ready. Feet together first. And 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3 and 4. Get your arms open to the side so that you can really focus only on that hip movement. We don't want those arms just swinging with the hips. We want it isolated, only hips. 2 and 3 and 4. 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 Your arms should be burning. That's great. Okay, feet apart. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Very good. Keep those heels on the ground. Don't be lifting those feet up. Keep those heels down. Work those hips. Very good. We're gonna breathe the arms because it's starting to hurt. Breathe them up. Breathe them down. Breathe them up. Breathe them down. Breathe them up. Breathe them down. Breathe them up. And now hold them. Very good. We're gonna do cucaracha. Get ready. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Your arms should be burning, because mine are. But keep it going. It's a good kind of burn. Very good. Let's breathe those arms. Ready? And right arm, left arm. Right arm, left arm. Give them a little break. Very good. And done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching. Bye.